Hello, this is Dr. Amrita Chakravarti, and I'm a hematologist at Max Hospital Shalimar Bagh. I see all kinds of blood disorders, cancerous and non cancerous blood disorders, including bleeding and clotting disorders as well.
So, what are the common symptoms of blood disorders? Again, that depends on the kind of blood disorder we are dealing with. The main symptoms, however, would be fever, that is the number of symptom of blood disorder or blood cancers generally, recurrent fevers or recurrent infections. A decrease in the immunity also contributes to recurrent infection, which can cause fevers. Second is a bleeding tendency because of decreased platelet count. There might be bruises that occur spontaneously or bleeding from the mouth, gums. Third, there can be weight loss, there can be appetite loss, night sweating, or swellings in the neck, the armpits, or the groin area, which can be a symptom of lymphoma. So, other than that, there are other things which can be found while assessing a patient. For example, we can feel the swelling, we can feel the lymph size, which has the spleen size, which has increased, or the liver size, which has increased. So, there can be a hepatosplenomegaly, there can be lymphadenopathy. Other than that, the blood report may come abnormal. The CBC is the first step, the first test that we do for a blood disorder. We can find abnormality in the CBC, by which I mean we can find increase or decrease in the level of hemoglobin or TLC and platelets. We can find some abnormal cells in the peripheral blood, which could be malignant cells. Now, other than that, blood disorders mainly present with fevers, bleeding tendency, appetite loss, weight loss, night sweating, or a general feeling of being unwell.